want to see my snack pocket?
Yeah. Don't leave me though. Hey, don't walk it. South America.
You're the man. Hi. Hey guys, it's Becca here and I am nervous. Tomorrow I'm running my very first half marathon. Leading up to this race, I watched a lot of these types of videos, so I thought might as well just make my own and vlog my very own experience to help other people out there who may be running their first half marathon or trying to get into distance running. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm Rebecca Eloisa and I make videos all about health and wellness, and I also sprinkle in some other stuff like personal finance and self-development. But anyways, this is the day before my race. And I have to go pick up my race packet, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. Let's go.
Only coming medium.
I'll be small blue.
Small blue, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
This is extra small.
I brought some trail mix to snack on when I get hungry, and I'm just drinking basically like some liquid vitamins and some magnesium so I don't cramp up. Do you want to see my snack pocket?
Yeah.
I'm trying to stuff these into my pocket.
We are 2 minutes away from race time. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling like Princess Jasmine with my ponytail.
First of all,
I haven't listened to my podcast in like 2 weeks because I was saving them for this day.
weather, San Luis Obispo, here we go.
Hey guys, this is Daniel here. Becca just started her race, so I got some time on my hands now. I think I'm gonna go to Whole Foods to get some vegan donuts and try and hurry and catch up the 4-mile mark. I just barely got a snippet of Becca running. Yeah, I thought I had the camera ready and everything, but apparently it was off, so it took a few seconds. By the time I saw her, it was like barely got like a few seconds. So the next stop is gonna be in, I think, Avila Beach. And no, I didn't go get vegan donuts. Yeah, oh man. All right, I'll see you guys later. Let's go, Becca! Woo! Don't leave me though. She always does that. Almost there, 1.3.
Help me.
Let's go. What do you got?
Huh?
What do you got?
Water here.
Let's go, Becca. 1 more mile.
Keep it going.
Hey, don't walk.
South America.
Come on. 1 more mile.
1 more mile?
1 more mile. Yeah, Becca! Becca! Woo, so she just finished the race. She had 13 miles. How are you feeling? I just got you. The camera is gonna die right now. Yeah. Good job, baby.
I want to go to the beach.
Huh?
I want to go. I need to jump in the ocean now.
Good job, Becca.
I'm done. And let me just say that this is a real MVP right here. He was the cameraman. He got so much good footage. He cheered me on. And every time I saw him, I was like, yay! I got a little burst of energy.
Yep.
Yeah, let's go eat. But first, I need to jump in the ocean right there. I need to get in the water. Look at that. I need some magnesium. I need to absorb some magnesium. I'm ending this vlog here for the dip in the Pacific Ocean. Oh, remember, if you have any questions about half marathons, leave them in the comments down below. Hit the like button and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Bye. Time to sleep.